Hey guys, I'm Helen from Best Buy. Have you ever wanted to capture an amazing artistic action portrait like this? Today, we're going to show you how. Action photography is not just limited to sports. It can be the beauty of dancers, the joy of jumping, or the simple artistic movements on a stage. Today, we're going to show you how we get these amazing creative poses, artistic looks, and beautiful action shots. But first, let's take a second to talk about the gear we're using today. For this shoot, we're using the Fujifilm X-T30 with a 35mm f2.0 lens. This camera can create incredible image quality in a small body, so it's easy to carry around. With the 35mm f2.0 lens, you can shoot in all kinds of light, and it's incredibly fast with super sharp images. This combo is great for portraits because it's fast enough to give you the depth of field that you want, and when you're shooting action, the 2.0 f-stop will allow you to get much higher shutter speeds. Check the links below for the fast prime lenses that we recommend for each camera system. So to help us create these truly artistic portraits, we came to beautiful Seattle to team up with photojournalist Kevin Gilbert to show us how it's done. So take us through what we're going to be doing today.
So to create some really fun artistic action photographs, there's going to be a couple of things we're going to do. We're going to freeze the action, which is really fun, and then we're going to be shooting in burst mode, getting that exact moment where we shoot where it's up,
Yeah.
right? So we're going to do that, and then we're going to do something about ISO.
Okay.
But I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, because it's like my secret sauce. It's the thing that I think any photographer, if they know about it, it's a great new way to help them make better pictures. One of the things that we're going to do is we're going to do some really nice artistic action photos. So let's do some pictures where we're going to try 3 different shutter speeds of the same picture. Christiana, our model, is going to jump for us 3 different times, and we're going to have 3 different shutter speeds to see what it freezes and what it doesn't.
Great.
Okay.
I think we should start slow. What are you thinking?
Yeah, let's start at 30th of a second.
Okay,
Sounds
great.
good?
I'll set it for that.
Okay, Christiana,
Awesome.
so what you're going to do is you're just going to jump, right? I want you to do the same jump 3 times. I'll tell you how to do it.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. Okay, so that was at a 30th of a second.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, that's nice. Look, her legs got this kind of motion in them, and her
Right.
arms aren't frozen.
Right.
Part of her is because you did get it at the peak there, but there's a whole bunch of motion. So
Right.
to freeze the rest of that stuff, let's go up to like 125th of a second.
Okay.
All right, so let's
give
have
it a shot.
Christiana jump again. Same jump, same
Okay.
pose. Nice.
All right. Let's see.
See, now that's better. So this 35mm 2.0 lens allows you to get faster shutter speeds, right? Because it's allowing you to have more light. There's other lenses that will do the same kind of thing, but this is a little better. And that's why we love prime lenses. They're sharp and they can let in more light. So Christiana, we're gonna do a last one at, pick a shutter speed. What do you think? 1,000th, 500?
1,000, yeah.
Let's try it.
Let's try 1,000.
So at 1,000th of a
All right.
second, frame it up. Nice. Yeah, see, you nailed it.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, you nailed it.
Very sharp.
But remember,
really
that's-
crisp, which is wonderful.
That's just one frame.
Right.
Sometimes, if you're just trying to get that one frame, you may not make it. You may have hair in the face. Something
Right.
like that happens. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to burst mode. So now we've got pictures that we need to make, but we're only going to do it with burst mode because it's something that's happening, and it's like boom, 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 boom. All those photographs are there. But by setting the camera in burst mode or high-speed frames, we can go, right?
Yeah, all you have to do is hold the button down and it's just gonna take a bunch of pictures in a row, which is wonderful.
Christiana is going to run through and jump, and we've got Marcus over here helping us out. He's going to be holding a long scarf and throwing it in the air, right? And there's going to be this one point where it's going to be perfect.
Yeah.
It may only be one frame, but if you've got 10 or 15 frames, you can pick.
Yeah, and this is a really fabulous action shot, and what's really great about doing action shots is having a really great strap. This is the Peak Design hand strap, and I really
That's
love
nice.
it because when I'm on the move, when I'm out and about, I know that if I drop my camera, it's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Awesome.
Nice.
Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Really cool.
Most of the time, you've got enough light. So we have this wonderful Seattle softbox in the sky here today, which makes this really nice, even, beautiful light. The white background really helps have the colors pop out.
Yeah, the pink is seriously popping.
Yeah, it's
beautiful.
amazing. So I have this thing, I call it the secret sauce. Everybody else calls it ISO, but I call it the secret sauce because for me, that I can take any kind of light and I can raise that exposure up and get a faster shutter speed or more depth of field. But I'm just adjusting the sensitivity. I'm not adjusting the exposure. I can change that.
So you can elevate the shutter, but still get a really nice, bright, beautiful picture.
Exactly. And you know, 10 years ago, it was really hard. You would never want to raise your ISO to 3200 or 6400. But you can do that today with the cameras that we all use. And it allows you to just have a great, great image in dark light. Yes, see, that's really beautiful.
That's awesome. I think we got it.
I think you got it. I think this is just great. It's so wonderful. You guys did great. So much that we're going to actually get in this picture with you. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Woo! Dance.
Now we got it. Very nice.
Yeah, we got it.
Very nice.
Thanks. So there you have it. Some great tips for taking an incredible artistic action picture. Remember, think about your lighting and vary your shutter speeds to either freeze or blur the photo. Thanks for all the great tips, Kevin. For more photo tips and tricks tutorials, check out the Best Buy YouTube channel or stop into one of our many camera experience shops to take an in-person workshop or just to check out the latest and greatest gear. To find a camera experience shop near you or to learn more about the gear you saw here today, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.